a brief introduction to what free hosted websites. Okay, my name is Godson,
Oh, my name is Sunday Akwele.
and
I'm Douglas.
all right. Welcome to this edition of our free free website design and what free website design and monetizing tutorial. You understand? First, I would like to tell you why the website is free. You understand? Normally, in times past, before you can get your own website, you need to pay a certain sum of money to get it hosted. But now, we already have companies that are ready to sponsor the domain, sponsor your web address. Are you getting it? Sites like WordPress, Wix, Simple Site, Blogger, all these ones are hosting sites that are telling you to come and build a website, an online website, and we do it for you. Use our name, I'll make it free for you. You don't have to pay us. Even self, Blogger is promising you that if you can gain a good number of traffic and advertise our product, in time we will pay you. You can answer your question.
Okay. The traffic of the thing. Is it talking of people that aim to visit? How many people that visit your site?
Yes.
That's the traffic in it, have it?
Yeah, that's the traffic. So when we talk about web traffic, we're talking about you gaining people to come and visit your site. Just like you owning a store. If you own a store, there's no business if you don't have people that come and buy from you. So that's the essence of that traffic. So talking about why your website is free. For example, you come online, you see something like ifeanyoblogs.blogspot.com. Blogspot.com. You see something like loadedsonnysite.blogspot.com. You understand? You see something like earlier on, if you were to click on, let's say, Linda KG blogs. Before now, it used to be lindakgblogspot.blogspot.com. I don't know if you are aware of that. With time, when we go into the practical aspect, I'm going to search lindakgblogspot.blogspot.com, and you see that be redirected to lindakgblog.com. Why it will be redirected is this. Linda KG has already made her own cash, so now she does not want to be hosted. Rather, she's using her own domain. So she has removed the name of those that hosted her in the earlier stage. She has removed blogspot.com. Are you getting it? So now, I want you to know that Linda KG is now paying for our website. The full content of our website is now being paid for. Be it monthly, yearly, I don't know about that, but all I know is sender.blogspot is no longer there. She's paying for the website. You are getting it.
So what you are saying in essence is that the moment you start posting your website on your own, you start to see that blogspot.
Yes.
Definitely you'll be paying for it.
Yes, you'll be paying for it.
You can't do that for free.
No, you can't do that for free. It's like you building a website in HTML. I know you are very good in HTML. Where they say design your full website in HTML. Now, I want you to know that after designing that website, because most people have learned to design website in HTML. After designing that website, have you been able to host it? Because I know you have several websites in HTML.
No, I've not hosted anyone, but I've created some.
Yes, you have created. Now, why haven't you hosted it?
Just that the hosting of it, I don't really know how to host the site.
Okay, so what you're saying is not because of the cost.
Hosting HTML has to do with money. It has to do with you buying it. It's true, but I know it's not that it's not the cost of it's not the price or the cost. That's why I don't host the site. Just that hosting HTML, you know, this one we are doing now is free. Understand? This bloggerspot.com is free hosted site, but the HTML of the thing is something that costs money. It's not the money. That's why I'm not hosted the site. It's because I'm not really know the procedure to follow on how to host the site. But the other day I check on internet on how to host the website, but I'm not get what they are really talking about. You understand? I'm not get the gist. And I said, well, maybe at the time I would meet somebody or someone that can fully host the site. You understand? That person can put me through.
Okay. So, but you are aware that you have to what? Pay for it.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Now, have you ever considered why you have to pay for it?
Because I have to pay for it in order to make the website mine. You understand?
And also to what? Make it visible online.
Make it visible online.
Yes, make it visible online.
Because after you created it, it can only be what be built in your browser without what internet connection.
Yes.
But for you to what make it visible online, you have to what host it. Okay? So now, this hosting of a thing, when you host it, it becomes what totally yours. Have it? Fine. Now, exactly almost the same thing. I still want you to know that after you've designed your website in HTML, you can also what import it to what this blogger.com and the what also what host it for you.
Okay, by then,
but
they will be
then
naming it blogger.com.
Yes.
You understand? But if for any reason you don't want it to be freely hosted again, you can also what go back to what making it your own. Then you want start paying.
If I may ask, in this blogger, can you, after you creating, or you must have created your bloggers, are you getting it, bros?
Yeah.
You must have created your bloggers and you want to transform it, understand, to your HTML code, understand? You can you transform it to your HTML and post it in your HTML
Okay, your code. Of course, you can. But remember, the only thing there is, it will what? You will now start what? Paying for it.
Yeah, I know I will start paying for it. I'm talking of the dashboard, everything about the website. Can it be able to display on the HTML documents?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Everything will what? Be able to display in HTML documents. So,
are you getting something close?
So, if, for example, now,
I'm just trying to ask it all over because we did it the other day. I want it to make it clear to this bros. Share it.
Yes. Well, you see, in Blogger, when you start designing your web page, there's a section of it that says what? Compose and what? HTML. So once you import your HTML code to that HTML section, everything will appear in HTML. Also in your templates, there's an aspect that has to do with you uploading your template to HTML and also editing it in HTML. So everything you can do in your HTML notepad, whichever code you want, can also be done here. And everything you can do about the name and web address can also be done here. You understand? Blogger is just a site that is promise telling you to use their name. It's not like because you've used their name, you will never be able to own your own personal domain again. No, they are not that self-centered or whichever it is. Whenever you like, you can choose to leave. But they're only promising you that when you start using their web address, when you start using their name now,
you must advertise them.
And advertise them, that in the future they are certainly going to start paying you for the traffic that you gets to your own personal website. You're getting it. So be it loadedsubmitsite.com, That is if you start paying for it. And what loaded on inside.blogspot.com is what free. The name there being advertised, that's what they are what after. I believe we get it now.
Yeah.
Alright, so any further question on this?
The question I would have asked now is not actually on this. I just want to ask about after you created your fresh website.
Okay.
Now you talk about placing adverts on your website.
Yes.
Advert bars.
Yeah, that has to do with you making money with your website.
Okay. Now, how do you go about placing those adverts on your advert bar?
That is
And then-
practical aspects.
Yes.
Yes.
It's actually practical.
Okay.
But that question should be asked when we are dealing with practical.
No, I need to ship it so that you know that there is something on ground.
Yes. Okay. Let's make it this way. Remember I said, for example now, I own a big store. I believe you've seen some stores now. They are selling, let's say, drink. They are selling wine. They are selling beer.
Yeah.
But yet they will put buy MTN recharge card on top here.
Yeah.
You will also see some people selling cards, selling all those things, selling beer and all those things. But they will bring a signboard saying room for less. Rent your apartment. Call so number at the front.
Yes.
Now, possibly they are not the ones that have what that signboard there.
Yes.
Are you getting it? But due to the fact that they have traffic, they have people that come to buy from them, so that those people will see that advert and then call that number. That's the essence why they put it there. Now, when they call the number, they will now be the ones to what link them to the agents, to the house agents. Now, after the house agents have made the agreement with the person that is renting the house or buying the land, whichever, the person will now come and what pay the owner of the web of the store and say, this is what your share for what advertising us telling people that this is what the job we do.
Yeah.
You understand? That's exactly the same thing that what happens on the internet.
We're clear.
Okay.
You get
Now
so
the
your own
practical aspects
will now be very clearer. You understand?
now make it clear to us.
Okay. Now on the internet you get a lot of traffic, a lot of people coming. Now it is either left for you to what go and meet, because those people that have that signboard possibly what register with what the agent. So for you to what make money with your website, you have to what register with what either people or website, because you can make money with your website both online and what offline. You get if for example now in my website, which is Ouchie Specials and if I'm in blogs, Ouchie Specials, because it's what I made it for school students to what visit the things what I put Ouchie Polytechnic students. Now when they start visiting it, I see that visiting is light number. I can choose to go and meet a house agent and say, come, I want to put your advert on my website. Are you getting it? So that students will now call me and then I'll bring them to you. So how much will you pay and all those stuff. When I put it there, the students will call me. I'll go and meet them physically. That is offline. I can also what put my address and say I'm a DJ in that online. I'm what advertising myself. People will call me to what come and do DJ work physically. Abi? That one is what offline. But when we talk about online, when you register with websites like Jumia.com, Conga.com, Amazon.com. Now these websites, they are the ones that will what do every job for you. Once someone requests for a product, they'll be the ones to what carry the product and what go and deliver to the person. Your own, you are what anywhere you are. They don't disturb you. But each of that product, after you register, there's a link. They call it referral link. You get that link will be what added to what every advert placement that you place on your website, so that once someone clicks on it, they will be able to locate that yes, this is the person that was advertised our product that we sold. So they can now what track your earnings, track how much what you got, and they can now what pay you through that link. You understand? Each and every website that you promote what has what their link. And even the best part, there are sites like Amazon. Because making money online, and that's what most people are doing now. Sites like Amazon, they can give you something like an audiobook and say what 30 days free trial. What they pay is what $3. Now that free trial, once someone puts it, they don't need to buy it. So long they what play the audiobook. If they don't buy it, they pay you more. You're getting it. Just to pay to play the audiobook, to download the audiobook, they pay you $3. Now this one is what online. You don't go on and say, this is what you should do. Come and buy my audiobook. And even the audiobook, you are not the one selling it. It's what Amazon. You are getting it. Yeah. So this one is what you making it what online. And when it comes to what Google, there's something that's called what Google AdSense. With time I'll play a video that what introduces you to what Google AdSense. This Google AdSense, what it does is what they place what ads on your website. The ads, they can what give you ad code also. Mostly they pay per click. I know most people will say, you are inviting me to your website, so that everything I click, you will charge me through my MB. No. They don't charge because of your MB. Your MB is for your server, how do you call it, your service provider.
Your service provider.
That one is for your MB. So you can download. That one has nothing to do with what your advert. It's only when they click on specified ads, either placed by Google or placed by you, that you now will get paid. Some of them pay in several means. Some pay per click. Some pay per referral when you refer someone to buy. Some pay per action. Like sometimes when you visit some website, they'll say fill in so form. When you fill that form, they pay the person that was placed it there. That one is what per action.
Okay.
You understand? There is one they call pay per lead. When you lead someone to a certain site, they have a certain amount they will pay you, maybe a dating site or whichever. You get me? And there's also one pay per download. For every you upload, for every download that someone downloads from your website, from the content that you uploaded to your website, you will get paid to it. You understand? Why some pay according to what per commission, some pay per sale. So all these ones are what means of what making money with your website. That is why it's what website design and what monetization.
Okay.
So I believe everything is clear. Or any further question? All right.
For now.
Any question?
Well, let's call it a day.
All right.
A day like are you calling it a day?
No, we can't call it a day because the day have many.
You allow the chairman to say a day.
No.
Then you will say let's call it a day.
No, the day I'm talking of the question aspect.
Okay, let's call it. Let's call it a section. Let's call it a section. But in our next session, they will have to deal with what. Because this is an introduction to making money with it and building the website, and also letting you know the difference between you making it free and making it paid for. And that's how we also talked about how you can make money with it and all those stuff. So how should I say this now? Dear viewers, thanks for watching this section of our tutorial. Yeah, bye.